watts SUPERVOOC Fast charging, 1.5K of AMOLED display, 16GB of RAM, and MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset. Let's welcome the all-new OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Now, in terms of outlook, I kind of like the design here, the squarish, boxy design, and the alert slider is still here, guys. 6.74-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So color sharpness on the display is really nice, even when you zoom into the wording. Even the bezels are pretty slim here. It's only 1.46mm on the side and 2.31mm on the bottom. 10-bit color and HDR10 Plus support. MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of storage. 5000 mAh battery with 80W SUPERVOOC Fast charging. 0 to 100% in just 31 minutes. Dolby Atmos dual stereo speakers as well. Sony IMX 890 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra wide angle camera, 2MP macro camera, and 860MP selfie camera. Picture quality is quite nice but not too impressive. Selfie on the other hand looks quite good. Color sharpness and details are there. So that's all about the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!